Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor. Today we will talk about DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corporation, traded at Nasdaq. Well, of course, people are asking, is it going down further? Because now we are finishing, if we magnify a little bit, at 29.05. Well, still price might change, but overall you see this negative action. The decline from moving average 20 is taking place. Looks like we pierced also moving average 50, although it was reversing upwards, this blue line, but moving average 20, the green line work here is a very strong resist level. RSI is declining towards 25 or lower, so actually it's like still going downwards to oversold area, so still there is a lot of capacity to decline. And overall, what's the main fear is actually, if you look at this chart and you compare with previous combination, it's very similar to what we saw here. Exactly the same situation, so the decline wave, which is like combination of moving average 50 on top and 20 on below, was finishing. Then instead of having a rebound, we had a secondary wave decline, although here it was more clear action upward, so kind of proposing potential to break through. Didn't happen, volatility and down. So if you draw this schematically, it looks like actually a major decline, stabilization instead of growth, and then we go further, another level of decline. This is a higher out, let's say, kind of trying to break through, but turned into another stabilization. So these two levels are these two developments are very close, very similar to each other, like this one and this one. Of course, it seems like it's going to form a similar one, although a little bit more stable with respect to supports from moving average 50, the blue line, but might pierce downwards. And if it's happening, if it just pierces, it might be market overreaction in a panicking way and actually might go down, at least, if not below this very low level, but at least to the middle of it would go. So this would be actually like a final support. If it goes further, then we need to look at the descending lines, but overall, this level would be the first one. And this will define our first entry opportunity, actually, or waiting to buy. It's actually here and here. This would be our first entry opportunity. So anything between 23.97 and 26.54, I would play it safe game. Wait here. If we have a very nasty decline, like we observe here, of course, and a very low shadow, candle, then we of course start buying from lower level. The first level, the upper level would be 21.61. Now to define the lower one, we don't have any historical development here to put it, but we can still define it as a descending level. And the very first would be actually to continue this line, which will be defined by actions here, here, and here by beginning of July. So this would be the second level. A little bit difficult level to buy because it is opening one. So it's actually a triangle in which you can buy from the second level. Therefore, actually we can speak of vicinities of top and vicinities of bottom to enter as two other levels. So this makes for us three levels to enter, one between 23.97 and 26.54. Another one just below 21.61, let's say, in the vicinity of it. And whenever we go to the vicinity of this descending dark line, it would be the third level to buy here. So if we draw it with circles, let's say this would be third level, and this would be our second level to enter. So, and the first one is this line, these two levels, these two lines. So this is the way to enter here. And again, because it still potentially might go downwards quite sharp, I would keep it on the safe side, on the classical side, meaning that if you want to trade here, you can split your money in 5 portions. Then you can actually buy with 1 portion in the first level, with 2 portions at the second level, so in the circle, and keep remaining 2 portions to buy non-linearly and average down on the third one. So this way, when the rebound takes place, you will be able to recover, not only to recover your losses actually, but also make a profit. So that's the way to trade here. Again, still possible that market will really strongly react and we just go upwards very fast. Possible, yes, but let's say this is more like a lucky bet than a technical mitigation of risks. And I would say it's better to play on the safe side and be ready to average down this way. So that's all at the moment for DWAC. Little bit tricky here because still could be, if going panicking mode, declining nastily, but yeah, looks reasonable also with the support level. So good luck with that one. If you like the way we trade, like we analyze stocks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.